So today we're working with this Bay Pasofino named Goose, and we're not trying to restore some joint function on him and Mr. Goose, and we're gonna start from the jaw, from the tip of the nose to the back of the tail. So now we're gonna ask Mr. Goose what is he hurting, and apparently he does have TMJ on the right side. Now how do we know that? Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm putting a little pressure right up under the ears. Okay, if I press on my right, his left, it gives me a little bit of reaction. If I press on my left, his right, he's more reactive on the right side. Now there is a few different approaches that you can find out how your horse's temporomandibular joint is misaligned. Okay, you can go with the jaw back and forth, or for me it's more effective right there. Okay, as you guys can see again, my left, his right. If I put a little bit of pressure there, if I put more pressure, he's gonna, I don't want to put that much pressure, but yes, he's definitely, if I put a lot of pressure like that, obviously
Yeah,
he's
it
gonna
seems
go.
like.
And same thing on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the joint back on place. Now the purpose of doing chiropractor work or joint manipulation is to restore joint function. Okay, Mr. Goose, just relax. All right, buddy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Got a little bit too there. Come on, Genzo. Check this pull. Yeah. Alright, you're doing good. Okay. Alright, baby. That's it. 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna recheck to make sure I got the joint in place. Same thing, same spot right there. Okay. Now watch the difference either side. So that means that I got the joint in place. It has to be something very dramatic in order to go the joint out of alignment again. Now I'm gonna check for the cervical area. I'm gonna see how it flexes either to the right or to the left. Okay, without forcing the horse, without forcing like flex. He has to be willing to do it himself without any pressure. Okay, so to the right. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna see flexing to the left. Alright, baby. Okay.
That does.
So that's a sign that he does have something on the cervical area on the left side. Now one more time. See the difference to the right? See, without any pressure, one finger. Flexes beautiful to the right. To the left. He's having trouble flexing. He doesn't even want me, not even near the left side. Alright, baby. So that will be C2. Alright, baby. Okay. Good. So that will be C2. C4, C6, and C7, okay? I know. I'm gonna get it somehow, so you better relax. Alright. Oh, there we go.
I feel that.
That's a good side. C6 is really out. Alright, baby. Now you see the difference?
Wow.
Okay, one more time. Remember, he wasn't trying to flex to the left. He wasn't flexing at all. See? No pressure.
Wow.
So that's, see the difference now? He's not fighting me.
And he's not turning.
He's not turning.
Yeah.
He's not going in circles. Now you see how he's relaxing more?
Yes.
Because he's pain free on the cervical area. All right. So that will be L1 lumbar on the right side, and actually that one's really out. So T18 left. Now watch on the left side, L1. Okay. This will be T18 right about here. L1 right here. Now watch the difference between the left, right there. See all the pressures that I'm putting, okay? Now go to the right, and that's what happened. See, it's not liking it on the right side. So that tells me L1 is out on the right side. I know, he's even trying to kick because it's pretty uncomfortable when I put pressure. I put pressure on the joint. See that? That's also out. Oh, yeah. You'll be so much better in a minute. You can come here, I can show you a little quick, okay? So that will be L1, right? Remember that we said L1 it was really out. You don't have to even touch it. You can touch it if you want, but you can see this side right where my thumb is higher than the left side. Can you tell? Yeah. Left side is lower, right side is higher, right about here.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So that's the joint that is sticking. And once they realize, you know, you're not gonna hurt them, and it pain, it feels good.
Yeah.
You know, they relax a lot. Well, now I'm putting a lot of pressure right on where he was trying to kick, and now he's relaxing. And also, he's tighter to the right than he is to the left. ¿Se dejan levantar los pies?
No
Oh, you haven't checked? No, I haven't checked. Okay, alright. So this one, the sternum, right side is a little out. So I don't know, let's give it a try, see how it does. Okay? Alright, baby. Alright. Right side is really out. I mean left side, I'm sorry. Left side. Really out. That's the sternum and scapula. Left side. You alright? Alright, so now there's some pressure points on him. You just on time. I want to intervene on when I was putting pressure right here on the lumbar, he was trying to kick. And now he's fine. And you can see how relaxed he got. So it's not like, oh, somebody's going to kill me. Now he relaxed and we're not going to hurt him. You know, me pressing along the spine. T1 to T18, lumbar and sacrum is not hurting anymore. It's like, okay, you can do whatever you want. See?
Yeah.
Before when I was pressing right. One more time. See, now one flinch.
Wow.
You're going in there pretty hard too, huh?
Huh?
You're going in there pretty hard.
I have to put double the pressure that I did before to make sure I get the joints in place. Because that would be like, you know, like, not like I pulled a rabbit out of my hat.
Pues si lo enfolcaban en la jaula, no debe ser docilito.
There we go. You heard it?
Yeah.
Oh, that felt good, buddy.
Oh, that felt good.
All right.
Oh.
All right, handsome. All right, let's put those hips in place. Yeah, Baba. Alright, so now watch the difference on here. Me here, okay? I'm trying to do circles to the outside, okay? And he extends and he goes up when I'm trying to go to the outside. See? How it extends right there and goes up. Okay, now it's hard. So now I gotta put it back in place. I know it's right there. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh, that feels good, buddy.